What is up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and we're rolling into the Christmas time here after Thanksgiving. We got Black Friday, Cyber Monday, then Christmas. So I've never been the one to sort of put up lights on my house, and the reason is because it seems like a pain in the butt to put them up every year and take them down every year, and I've just never had the umption to do it. But that's until this year. I've got the Christmas spirits going, so then I stumbled upon this. So this is the ANGELHALO RGB light set. Now, the special thing about this is that it's kind of an all-year lighting kit. You have the ability to change the lights with their app based on the holiday season that's approaching, or have them as just nice, soft, warm lights for lighting for your house. And again, these are permanent outdoor lights, so once you put them up, they can stay outside all year round, and you don't have to put them up every year. You can actually sort of just use them year round. So they do have the anti-UV coating to make sure that they are protected all year round. Now, these are going to be installed under my eaves, so they should have sun protection somewhat, but at least they have that extra coating, and they're good from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it gets pretty hot, but it doesn't ever really get to 140 here in Phoenix. So I have the 111-foot kit here that should fit the whole entire front of my house. So let's go ahead and take a look inside here, see what this kit comes with. Again, I'll leave like the link in the description below, but yeah, let's open it up. And inside a box, we have some boxes. So let's open these up and see what we got. So in the first one we have basically the whole string of lights. We'll take a closer look at those here in a second. And in the second box, we have the additional set of lights. So that's going to reach out the whole 110 or 111 feet. I'll set this one aside. And then we have the accessories here. So you have a remote here to control the lights, an extension cord, which I think is going to be important for me because I'm coming around the house, back to the backside of my house and plugging it in. I think this here is kind of your on-off switch for manual control if you don't want to use the remote. Some mounting screws. So these are the kind of screws where you're going to be able to either put it straight into the wood, or you're supposed to be able to use these as sort of anchors if you want. I actually got something a little bit different, and I'll show you that in a minute, because my eaves are a little strange. They don't have a real good flat spot for me to put these on, so I have to improvise a little bit. And then some extra 3M stickers in case any of them go bad. And looking quickly at the user manual here, this thing is actually the sort of Wi-Fi connection. It will connect to your Wi-Fi so that you can use it through the app to kind of set up all the lights. It doesn't have to have that direct Bluetooth connection, which I think is very nice. Or again, remote control, whatever you want to do. So let's take a look at some of these lights. So again, there are multiple mounting options, right? There are, straight off the bat, the 3M double-sided sticky tape here that you can use if you have that appropriate spot for the eave. It's supposed to be about 2 feet out from the wall so that when it shines down, you get sort of that maximum exposure on your wall. So you can use these stickers, and that should work just fine. Take a look here at the actual light and the case itself. It has a place for a screw to go in. So if you want to mount them a little bit more permanently, or you're worried about the weather causing this stickiness to sort of separate, and I think the 3M stuff is pretty good, but in general, if you want a little bit more security, you can go ahead and screw those in. And if you don't want to use any of the multiple mounting options that come in the package, you can use something like I have here. I'll show it on the screen. So I plan to take all these, install them. I'll show you the app, and I'll show you some of the effects that you can do with it. Now, like I said, Christmas is coming up, so I'll probably go with like a red and green motif, but I don't know yet what is in the app and what's available to me. But you can think about the fact that maybe St. Patrick's Day, maybe Veterans Day, you want to do red, white, and blue. Maybe for Halloween, you want to do orange or orange pulsing or something like that. So you have that opportunity to do that all year round, which I think is really cool and I'm looking forward to. And then I never have to put lights up again. Beep. And a couple more just, I thought, important features to talk to you about is you can have this set up so that it actually sort of responds to like music. So if you want to have a party and have your friends over and have that going, you can. They are IP65 waterproof, so that's good for being outside all year round. I have looked at some other ones when I was sort of shopping around, and thanks to ANGELHALO for sending these over. But one good thing about these is that it has a closer sort of light separation, right? Some of the other ones are a little bit cheap, you know, you get kind of what you pay for. These are 1.39 feet between each one of the lights, where the other ones can be about 2 to 2.5 feet between them. So you get more coverage on the house with the closer lights. You can use these with like Alexa to be able to control it using your voice if you hook it up through the Wi-Fi and get that all set up. So it has a lot of features and functionality, but let's get this up on the house, man. I'm looking forward to this. We're gonna go ahead and install it, turn it on, wait till night, and check out some cool lights on the house. So let's do it. Alrighty, so that was the Angel Halo all year round lights. I'm looking forward to not only having my Christmas lights up, but also have a nice simple glow around the house. I love that look, and I love the fact that I can do that with just like soft white or pure white light. And then when the other holidays come around, I can adjust it to whatever I want. So anyway, if this helped you out, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. We do stuff like this all the time. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.